Morning.
Good morning. If you're coming from the last video, you'll probably notice that we're wearing the exact same thing, standing in the exact same place. But yes, today is day 2 in Chiang Mai, and today is totally devoted to going to the elephant nature park.
Yeah.
Play with elephants and see them and hopefully see some babies.
Yeah, we're hoping to see some babies, but today we're gonna be just pretty much observing them. I think we're allowed to like feed them a little bit, maybe bathe them, but
no riding.
No riding.
Riding is
probably
the bad
a good
places.
thing. Yeah. But we're really excited. I've actually never seen an elephant like in the wild before, just in zoos. He has, haven't you?
But not an Asian elephant.
Okay,
So.
yeah. He's seen African elephants.
Yeah.
But I'm super pumped. I'm really hoping that there are babies.
That'll be fun. And yeah, hopefully the rain mostly holds off for us too. There's definitely intermittent showers throughout the day, but if it's not too bad, it should be fine.
Yeah, either way, elephants, it's gonna be good.
Yeah.
So, and now we're just waiting for breakfast.
Yeah, breakfast, coffee, and then off to the
Nowhere
elephants.
All right, see you there.
We made it to the park. You can see it over there.
It was crazy when we were driving in, like right by my window. You could see like 3 elephants and one was so close. And we just got here.
Yeah, so I think we're gonna put our stuff down and then go feed them.
Yeah, we're so excited.
Elephant cafeteria, they have to get fed 5 times a day. So they truck in all this food and unload it, and then volunteers and people go out and feed it to them, which we're gonna go do.
Oh, you see that? Oh, there it goes. Wow, look how much I can eat. Get in. So we're here at their feeding section, and it's just about lunchtime, and we just found out that we're feeding a family of 7, and there are 2 babies and a mommy. So
Coco's very excited.
I'm so excited. And we also get to see more babies later.
Yeah.
Lots of babies. They're very excited.
It's gonna be a good day.
Yeah.
They're so pretty.
Độc mái.
This is a baby?
Be careful apple. Oh, 4 years old. Her name is ดอกไม้ means flower.
Oh. But he can't eat them all. See all the mushed up ones?
No.
Yeah. There you go.
Num 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 num.
Yeah.
This is amazing.
It's like this one's closer. Oh yeah. There you go. There you go. Aww. So cute. Look at him. Oh, he's so happy.
It's like I don't have the coordination.
Oh, hello.
This one's
Big guy.
like, gimme.
This one's like, I want to.
Oh, he didn't want it. Woo!
Now we're gonna go see them in their habitats here.
Go back to stay in the shelter. Video. He wants to say hi with you.
Can I touch her?
Yeah, you can touch her.
How do you swim?
You can touch the body.
Swim, So this is Tycoon. How old is she?
20.
She's 20, but she stepped on a landmine, so she's hurt.
Yeah.
So these are water buffalo, which are apparently very dangerous, but seem pretty tame here. We're not allowed to touch them, but there's a baby. And then there's an elephant. See the baby?
Because she got infection. She work for the riding. Yeah, you can do like her. We call LP. LP, elephant LP.
Oh, we got ourselves. This one has tumors, but it's okay. They can perform surgery, otherwise she'll get infected and then die. So, probably best.
Hello again. Go ahead.
Okay. We just ate some yummy lunch. It was actually quite good. I thought it would be kind of, you know, cafeteria food like you're used to in the States, but it was actually really, really good.
All vegetarian.
And all vegetarian, yeah.
Really good noodles, rice, veggies. Yum, 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 yum.
Yeah. So now we're going to wait for our tour guide to come back down. We have about 10 more minutes. And then I think we get to go see more baby elephants. We've been really lucky actually because we've seen 2 or 3 already.
Yeah, 2 or 3 babies, tons of adults
Babies,
obviously.
yeah.
And it only seems to be raining while we're up in the lodge, knock on wood. But yeah, so you can actually see some of them hanging out behind us here. And we're gonna finish our waters, go to the bathroom, go see some baby elephants.
Yeah. We got some really good pictures too, so be sure to check the Insta.
Instagram.
No, but actually, there are some really good pictures. So if you really like elephants, definitely check that out.
Yeah. All right. On to the next part.
Yeah.
We're off to see the baby elephants. As you can see, it's a little wetter now than before.
Spoke too soon before.
I know. Shouldn't have said anything. But hopefully this will let up soon and we'll still be able to get some good footage thanks to this being waterproof. Anyway, next soon. So this one was injured in a logging accident, but she's really sweet, and Cosette and I both went up and got to give her a little hug, and she really doesn't seem to mind people at all. Really, really nice. Yeah, kind of fun. And thankfully it seems to have stopped raining, so at least for the time being. Shouldn't have said that. Bye, Babu.
Tabu.
Tabu?
Yeah.
Tabu. Aw, so cute.
Oh, I want to go get my other So these plants, they close up when you touch them.
Pretty cool.
There's a baby somewhere.
There'll be 2 babies. 2 of them are pretty small. So these are the elephants that we were feeding earlier in the day, which is kind of cool. So you can see them snacking on this sweet, these branches. Oh, here comes one. What is it doing?
Going in.
Itching.
Oh my god.
Grab.
Be careful with me.
Someday they might walk out to see people to ask food, everything, because we can't ask. Very easy. If the 3 of them.
Last few elephants before we head back. Sad.
That was by far the coolest thing that I've done in a long time.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
Highly recommend.
It would probably be worth going to Chiang Mai just to do this.
Oh, 100%. Well, we were saying that we want to come back maybe and volunteer here for a
Do
bit.
a week-long thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, take care of the dogs and the elephants. That would be very cool.
Yeah. It's so beautiful. We lucked out with the weather and got to see some babies too. But overall, 10 out of 10 experience.
Amazing. Everyone
Very,
needs to
very
go.
happy. Yeah. so amazing.
Yeah, I think now we're just gonna go back, get some water, and then head back to Chiang Mai.
Yeah.
Hello. Oh, that is the end of the Elephant Nature Park. We're walking back to our van now and gonna head back to Chiang Mai. Oh, kitty. Ooh, another kitty. Hello, a third kitty. Hello. Yeah, should be back home in an hour or so.
Yes.
Most amazing
Unfortunately.
thing ever. Definitely have to come back here.
Yeah.
If you're watching this, you have to come here too.
Yes.